Welcome to the world of biology. Today we are going to learn about the atomic masses. So first, before going to that, let us see what is a term atom. The atom is nothing but a smallest individual particle of an element. So smallest particle को हमने क्या बोलता है? Atom बोलता है. So this atom of an element has a definite mass of an order of 10 to the power of minus 26 kg. ठीक है. So but every atom का अंदर it consists of fixed number of protons रहता है, fixed number of neutrons रहता है and fixed number of electrons रहता है with the help of some subatomic particles भी रहता है. So the number of proton varies from atom to atom. So जो number of protons है वो atom को vary होता है. The mass of an atom changes as the number of particle is changed. So hence the mass of different atom of different elements will be different. So जितना elements present है सबका atomic mass different रहता है. So today we are going to learn about the atomic mass. So atomic mass is nothing but the mass of an atom. So atomic mass is nothing but the mass of an atom. For example, a fixed number of hydrogen का अंदर 1.673 into 10 to the power of minus 26 grams है. So the mass of an atom is determined by relative to the mass of carbon atom. So जितना elements present है उन सब का elements एक relative character लिया, that is nothing but abundance one, nothing but carbon 12 atom as a standard, which was recognized or ratified by IUPAC, nothing but International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry in the year 1961. So in this system, any atom of carbon 12, a mass of exactly will be 12 atomic mass unit. So this atomic mass ka units you will mention as atomic mass unit, nothing but AMU. So coming for the 1 AMU is defined as the mass exactly equal to 1/12 of mass of one carbon atom. So 1/12 of the carbon atom. So why they have chosen only the carbon atom as a reference atom? Preference atom, that is nothing but क्योंकि the carbon has abundance, nothing but हमको सभी जगह पे the carbon is present in our life also or completely our body or whatever we are using और जीने के लिए हम जितना यूज़ कर रहे इन सब का अंदर कार्बन प्रेजेंट है. So the carbon is an abundance, nothing but it has referred atom. ठीक है. So this was chosen और relative mass के लिए ये कार्बन एटम को चूज किया है. Next coming for this 1 mu is equal to 1/12. So later on to get the exact value of atomic mass unit in gram, they established an experimentally. So that is nothing but 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 into mass of 1 कार्बन 12. सो मास ऑफ 1 कार्बन 12 का कितना है 1.992 इंटू 648 इंटू 10 टू द पावर ऑफ माइनस 23 ग्राम से. सो इसके लिए क्या किया, सो दे हैव सब्स्टिट्यूटेड हियर. सो 1/12 इंटू मास ऑफ 1 कार्बन एटम. सो 1 AMU इज इक्वल टू 1.66056 इंटू 10 टू द पावर ऑफ माइनस 24 grams. So this is the 1 AMU value. So this is the mass of 1 atom of carbon. So 1 mole का कितना है 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So 1 AMU is equal to so and so. So 1 AMU is also written as 1 by Na gram, nothing but Avogadro number. Next 1 G or gram by mole. ठीक है. So these are the so AMU, this is AMU is nothing but the units of atomic masses. So this was later replaced by unified mass, which is called as the Dalton. So unified mass is represented with U and Dalton ka is units ka represented as DA. So this is the atomic mass. So next we will go with the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. So how to calculate the average कितना है, ठीक है. So till now we have calculated only one atom of the carbon. So let us see how to calculate the average atomic mass. So many elements exist as a mixture of more than one top. So one isotope, that is nothing but any element present है. So उसको isotopes रहता है, more than many elements है ऐसे isotope के रूप में. So isotope बोले तो क्या है, बोले तो isotope बोले तो same atomic number रहता है but differ in mass. सो सेम एटॉमिक नंबर रहता है बट उसका मास अलग अलग रहता है. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ सच एलिमेंट इज वेट एंड द एवरेज ऑफ एटॉमिक मास ऑफ इट्स आइसोटोप्स, दैट इज नथिंग बट परसेंट अकरेंस. सो कैसे कैलकुलेट करता है बोले तो परसेंट अकरेंस. सो परसेंट अकरेंस बोले तो हमारा नेचर में हाउ मच अमाउंट दिस एलिमेंट और दिस एलिमेंट इज प्रेजेंट. सो उसका ऊपर और उसका एटॉमिक मास और उसका रिलेटिव मास को कैलकुलेट किया तो वी विल गेट द एवरेज एटॉमिक मास ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस. सो हम वी विल टेक द एग्जांपल एज कार्बन. सो कार्बन को कितना आइसोटोप से, मैक्सिमम 3 आइसोटोप से, C12, C13 एंड C14. सो 3 आइसोटोप से कार्बन के लिए. सो ये दिस C12 इन अकरेंस एनवायरमेंटल में और नेचर में कितना अकर होता है, नथिंग बट रिलेटिव अबंडेंस इज नथिंग बट 98%. And coming for this C13, atomic mass will be 13 and इसका occurrence कितना है 1%. So carbon 14, atomic mass कितना है 14. So इसका relative abundance कितना है 2 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So इन सब को कैलकुलेट करता है हम एवरेज एटॉमिक मास को कैसे खाना है. सो कमिंग टू कैलकुलेशन द एवरेज एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन. सो एटॉमिक मास ऑफ आइसोटोप. सो एटॉमिक मास ऑफ आइसोटोप्स, these are 3 isotopes of the carbon, right? So these are the atomic mass into relative abundance. ठीक है, into relative abundance. So you can see here by 100. This is the equation for the average atomic mass. Atomic mass of isotope into relative abundance by 100. So substitute and देखो यहाँ पर C12 into 98 nothing but relative abundance plus C13 into 1, next 14 into 2. So this by 100. So we will get the atomic mass of 12. The carbon का कितना है 12. So this is the how to calculate the average atomic mass. So by this way we can give a definition that average atomic mass of an element is the sum of its isotopes. So sum of the isotopes 1, 2, 3. So sum of the isotopes and each multiplied by its natural abundance. So multiplied with natural abundance. बोले तो relative abundance. बोले तो nature में कितना रहता है. So this is about the today class.